guys, it's Diamond from the Oppenheimer Ranch Project on Friday, May
4th.
And we're here at the Flow Hive that we put a queen in about 10 days ago. Just going to introduce a little smoke there. I'm going to gently smoke these. I'm going to grab a hot tool. And if all goes well, Leah won't get stung and I won't get stung. Introduce just a little smoke for these babies.
Tell them there's a forest fire.
You said it. Now we can see them. I just want to lay them all down here, so I'll get them down. Now what I want to check here is that this hive is queen right. We have a queen in here. She's out of the cage, and it's my objective to find her. If I don't, it's okay. So what we have here is them storing pollen, and they're drawing comb. There's even evidence of a little queen cell. So we have some cat brood, which means someone is making babies in here.
Holla.
So this cat brood could be the old cat brood. So what I want to see now is fresh larvae. Bees replace themselves, these workers, about every 6 weeks. So we should see a lot of fresh larvae. The queen's probably still in the middle here, if she's in here and they didn't kill her. So they're storing honey on this frame. There's fresh cat brood. And larvae.
Yay.
So I bet you the queen's on the next frame. She's working in this region.
Busy making babies.
It's easy to find this queen because I bought one that's marked. Still don't see her. So this is another frame of honey. More drawn comb and some fresh larvae. She's in here. Just haven't found her.
Is it possible her mark rubbed off?
No. I've ever heard of. But it is 100% possible that we miss her because there are bees on top. So there are fresh larvae in here, which means only one thing, that she is in here. And we'll come back and just check to make sure. So what I'm going to quick do is put on the Flow Hive, which is going to include a queen excluder, no more smoke, so let's quickly get this done. Get these in here, these bees. They're now stinging me. And then you just got to make sure the Flow Hive is set right, which is back here, tilted back. And center it. So the queen excluder is going to keep the queen down low. I want to make sure these Flow Hive frames are set correctly. It seems like one is not right. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, that looks good. Flow Hive set. Cap it. And unfortunately we didn't find the queen in here, but we found evidence of the queen, and I'm happy with that for now. So thanks for watching. We're going to come back in a few weeks, and this Flow Hive is going to allow us to look in here on a regular basis without harming the bees to see what they're doing here in the comb. So we'll be able to monitor their progress. You can also even, if you come back here, you'll see where we'll extract the honey. And we can also monitor how each of the frames are filling as they start to bring honey up into the super. We're just starting to bloom here, so the honey flow will happen any moment in a very quick way. Another quick thing I want to show you about is I recommend everyone get a screened bottom board, especially with the varroa mite problem. Also, this bottom board allows us to collect all this pollen. So all this pollen has fallen off the bees, and we can collect this to feed them back. We can also use this to check on our mite and beetle population. So that's a good reason why you would get a bottom board. So thanks for watching. We'll be right back with another video on the second hive while we look for another queen. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Share this with like-minded people and don't get stung. Be safe, everybody.